just like to point out, because he was running in the stairs and, even tripped. They were trying to serve the warrant on him.
No, they were not. They were not in possession of the warrant. Then they admitted that. In fact, Melvin Matibag said to Cayetano that we will give it to you, and then sabi niya, hindi, sa Tuesday na lang, and then next time na lang, and then next time na lang. They did not serve as a warrant, no? So, until
but if we'll be arguing till tomorrow. But just
but that's very important to concede.
What is important is why Senator Bato left the supposed protective custody of the Senate to go missing. Yun po yung issue. Ba't hindi po niya harapin?
No, serve as the warrant.
Yun yung tanong po. Yun yung, in the end, the most important question. He showed up to vote, to unseat, to cast his vote for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as president, who was behind our withdrawal from the Rome Statute. He was foreign secretary then, correct? And then to go missing after, it seems it's unbecoming, to say the least.
A little correction, it was the president, of course, President Duterte was the chief
Sir,
architect.
pero
Yung nag-withdraw. Ngayon, pagdating po
but
kay
we thank
Senator
you for your
Bato,
time. I'm sorry, we do, one final explanation na lang po, kung pwedeng maikli na lamang.
well, we are just waiting for the government authorities to serve us a personal service po nung warrant, and also
Paano
we
po
await.
kung wala na nga, missing na nga si Senator, paano isi-serve?
That is the purpose of the lawyers, ma'am. We are his legal counsel. Ma'am, I hope you don't ridicule us, ma'am. Now, we're doing our best to
I'm
be
not. You're
earnest
saying
with
you want the government to personally serve, but
Yes.
he ran
Yeah,
away.
to us.
He ran away.
Abogado po kami. Abogado naman kami. Pwede naman po sa amin. Pwede
So
naman po.
that is what you want, to serve it to you,
Yes,
and then
yes,
ano pong gagawin
yes.
ninyo pag
Oh,
na-serve
and
na sa inyo?
Then we will follow
You'll produce
accordingly.
him? You will produce
Then-
your client.
Well, I can't assure that because I'm not Bato, but we will, of course, definitely serve the warrant on our client. Kasi po, ayaw nilang sundan yung sistema. They're
Okay,
not
so
following the law that they're invoking.
this is what you're saying. You are willing for the government to serve the warrant on the legal counsels, and you will do your utmost best to produce your client. Did I understand it
dadaan po
correctly?
sa proseso, no? Dadaan po sa proseso, sa PCTC and all that, alam po niyo. I'm sure you've heard all of that. Pag dumaan na po sa tamang proseso and competent judicial authority, then pwede na nating pag-usapan ang pag-appear ni Senator Bato.